Have you ever wondered how some people become rich at a very young age? It's a question that sparks intrigue and fascination in many of us, isn't it? We see these young millionaires and billionaires, and we can't help but wonder, how did they do it? Well, today, we're going to unravel that mystery. We're going to delve into the world of youthful affluence, breaking down the process into steps that are easy to understand and, more importantly, actionable. We'll explore the paths these young moguls have tread, from their education and skills development to their knack for networking and their savvy investing strategies. But let's not forget the undeniable role of hard work and persistence in their journeys. It's not all glitz and glamour, after all. So if you're ready to uncover the secrets of achieving wealth at a young age, stick around. You're in for a journey of discovery, and who knows, perhaps your own pathway to riches. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the role education plays in wealth creation. Education is not just about textbooks and classrooms. It's a lifelong journey that equips us with the necessary knowledge and skills to navigate the world. Now, when we talk about education and wealth creation, names like Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg might pop into your mind. Yes, these successful entrepreneurs did drop out of college, but they never stopped learning. They are self-educated, continually seeking knowledge, and that's what sets them apart. Formal education provides us with a solid foundation. It teaches us to read, write, and think critically. It gives us a broad understanding of various subjects, from science and math to arts and humanities. It's the starting point, but it's not the end-all be-all. Beyond formal education, self-education is crucial. It's about taking the initiative to learn about things that interest you. With the internet at our fingertips, there's a wealth of knowledge available to us. Podcasts, seminars, online courses, books. These are all mediums for self-education. Let's take Elon Musk as an example. He has degrees in physics and economics, but he taught himself rocket science to build SpaceX. So you see, education is not confined to what we learn in school. It's about being curious, asking questions, and seeking answers. Mentorship is another form of education. Learning from someone who has walked the path before you can save you from making costly mistakes. Mentors provide guidance, advice, and sometimes they can open doors to opportunities. In the end, education is about gaining knowledge and wisdom. It's about learning to make informed decisions, solve problems, and innovate. It's about understanding the world and the forces that shape it. And it's this understanding that allows us to create wealth. So whether you're in school, learning a new skill online, or seeking advice from a mentor, remember that you're building your wealth in knowledge. Because, as Benjamin Franklin once said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Remember, education is the foundation of wealth. Moving on, let's delve into the importance of skills and talents. These are the tools you wield in your journey to wealth creation. Some are innate, while others are acquired. But regardless of the source, all talents and skills have the potential to be monetized and should therefore be nurtured. Consider the world of technology, for instance. Young entrepreneurs like Mark Zuckerberg and Evan Spiegel became billionaires in their early 20s, having leveraged their programming skills to create Facebook and Snapchat, respectively. They turned their technical abilities into lucrative ventures that revolutionize the way we connect and communicate. And it's not just tech skills that can lead you to wealth. Talents in the arts, too, can be your ticket to financial success. Just think about Taylor Swift or Justin Bieber. These young musicians turned their singing talents into global brands, amassing wealth beyond imagination. They honed their craft, worked on their talents, and now they're reaping the rewards. But it's essential to understand that having a talent or skill is just the first step. It's the honing, the refining, and the mastering of these skills that truly counts. Like a blacksmith forging a blade, you must invest time and effort into shaping and sharpening your talents. What's more, you can't rest on your laurels. The world is constantly evolving, and so must your skills. Never stop learning, never stop improving. With the internet, there's an abundance of resources at your fingertips. Take advantage of online courses, webinars, and tutorials. Join forums, engage in discussions, and seek mentors. Remember, your skills and talents are like seeds. They have the potential to grow into towering trees, but only if you water them with practice, fertilize them with knowledge, and shine on them the sunlight of perseverance. To sum it up, skills and talents are not just mere hobbies or pastimes. They are valuable assets, potential gold mines waiting to be tapped. They are your ticket to financial freedom, your key to wealth creation. So nurture them, polish them, and watch as they open doors to opportunities you've only dreamed of. Skills and talents are valuable assets. Never underestimate their potential. Another essential aspect is networking. Now, when we hear the term networking, we often think about meeting people at events, exchanging business cards, or perhaps connecting on LinkedIn. But networking is much more than that. It's about building relationships and creating a supportive system that can help you advance your career, achieve your goals, and yes, even accumulate wealth. Think about some of the most successful young entrepreneurs and innovators of our time. Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, met his future co-founders in college. They started with a simple idea, but it was their network of fellow students, mentors, and later investors that propelled them to global success. Or consider Billie Eilish, a Grammy-winning artist who was just a teenager when she first gained recognition. She and her brother Phineas, who is also her producer, were able to leverage their network within the music industry to launch her career. These examples highlight the importance of networking in wealth creation. But how do we build a powerful network? It starts with being genuine. People can sense authenticity and are more likely to help and support you if they believe in your passion and drive. It's also about giving as much as you take. Networking isn't just about what you can get from others, but also what you can offer them. Can you provide advice, support, or resources? Another networking strategy is to diversify your network. Connect with people from different industries, backgrounds, and experiences. They can provide you with a fresh perspective and may open doors to opportunities you might not have considered. So, attend those industry events, reach out to mentors, join relevant groups, and engage in conversations. Remember, your network isn't just about the quantity of connections, but the quality of relationships you build. In essence, networking is about creating a community that supports and uplifts each other. It's about helping others succeed while you succeed. So, the next time you're at a networking event or scrolling through LinkedIn, remember this: your network is your net worth. Next, we will discuss the vital role of investing and saving. Now let's delve into the world of investing and saving, two fundamental pillars in constructing a sturdy financial foundation. When it comes to wealth creation, these two elements cannot be overstated. They're like the roots of a tree, unseen, but keeping the tree stable and helping it grow. Investing is essentially making your money work for you. It's about strategically placing your funds in different baskets, be it stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a startup business, with the expectation of a profitable return. The key here is diversification. It's important not to put all your eggs in one basket. This way, you can mitigate risks and maximize potential gains. Take the story of Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals in the world. He made his first investment in shares at the tender age of 11. Today, his investment portfolio is a testament to the power of early and smart investing. On the other hand, saving is about discipline. It's about setting aside a portion of your income consistently, not for immediate gratification, but for future security and opportunities. It's like storing acorns for winter. You might not need them now, but they'll be invaluable when the time comes. Think of Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder of Facebook. He was known for his frugal habits even after becoming a billionaire. His emphasis on saving allowed him to reinvest in his company and further expand his wealth. Investing and saving are not just about accumulating money. They're about cultivating a mindset of patience, foresight, and financial discipline. They're about understanding the value of money and the power it holds when used wisely. And remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. So start investing, start saving, and let your money be your employee. Investing and saving are the stepping stones to wealth. Lastly, we cannot forget the role of hard work and persistence. These are the cornerstones, the foundation upon which wealth is built. They're the tireless nights of planning, the relentless days of executing, the unyielding belief in oneself and one's vision. Consider the stories of successful young entrepreneurs and innovators. They didn't reach the peaks of wealth by chance or sheer luck. It was through grit, determination, and a never-give-up attitude. Take, for instance, the creators of tech giants, who started in garages, working long hours, persisting through countless failures. Or the young authors who faced multiple rejections but never stopped writing, eventually penning bestsellers. These stories echo the same truth. Wealth creation is a journey, not a destination. It requires discipline, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to one's goals. So remember, when it comes to amassing wealth at a young age, there's no substitute for hard work and persistence. Hard work and persistence are the fuel that drives the engine of wealth. To wrap up, let's summarize the key points. We've learned that a solid foundation in education is critical. Education not only equips us with knowledge, but also trains our minds to think strategically and solve problems effectively. Next, we've discussed the importance of developing skills and nurturing talents. It's about finding your unique abilities and using them to your advantage. We've also highlighted the power of networking. Building strong relationships can open doors to opportunities that you might not have found on your own. Then we delved into the realm of investing and saving. Making smart financial decisions early on can lead to significant wealth accumulation over time. Lastly, we've reiterated the role of hard work and persistence. Success doesn't come overnight. It's the result of continuous effort and unwavering determination. Remember, becoming rich at a young age is possible. It's all about the right education, skills, networking, investing, saving, and most importantly, hard work and persistence.